Hello again, everyone. It's Alan with Teacher Created Materials, and I'm coming to you once again to offer you a few strategies you can use to make an impact in your intervention programs. By this time in the school year, we definitely know which students we need to target with strategic and high-yield instructional practices to accelerate them to becoming grade-level learners. If this topic interests you, then I invite you to join my free webinar. Our time together will be spent on how to implement high-yield instructional strategies and systems during intervention periods that move students quickly to becoming proficient learners in multiple content areas. During my tenure as a district curriculum specialist, intervention blocks were an important focus and much-needed part of the school day. Let me share with you my experiences on how to maximize this opportunity for your students. Let's get started with 2 tips that I know can help you right away. Number 1, for literacy instruction, develop an initiative that every teacher in your grade level or school building can be a part of and is essentially an extension of the instruction that takes place during intervention periods. Have the focus be an element of comprehension of fiction or nonfiction text, or even a certain method of teaching vocabulary. For mathematics, spend a few weeks out of the calendar year focusing on just one of the mathematical practices or processes in each grade level. Focus on providing your grade levels with specific discourse protocols for the teacher to engage the students and for the students to engage their peers. These 2 tips can get you started and motivate your school right away, but if you would like to learn more about how to make an impact in your intervention programs, click below and hang out with me for a bit during my free webinar. Take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you real soon.